Prize is open.
Prize is open.
Sort that one out.
Yeah. Fix that one.
So what? Oh. Oh. Bless you. Oh. Oh, that's the cutest sneeze I've ever seen in my life. Hello.
Instant YouTube classic.
You're so cute.
It's great. So you'll probably be here till about Monday or so, will you? Or Tuesday? Monday or Tuesday?
Yeah, I think so. 5 days.
Yeah. So I'm not actually here tomorrow.